at KPM Mombasa. The agenda was 1. System integration, 2. Unifying and synchronization of government agencies approvals, 3. Simplifying export licenses, 4. 24-hour port operations, 5. Border delays due to multiplicity of scans. The resolutions were as follows, and I'll read 6 of them and invite Honorable CS Kuria to read the rest. Kenya Ports Authority and Kenya Revenue Authority will not accept containers into the port if not declared and logged into the ICMS custom systems and Kilindini Waterfront Automated Terminal Operation System, otherwise known as QUATOS, at the point of acceptance. Declaration into these systems must be made at the point of acceptance and approval granted.
Kutoka kwa Kenya Revenue Authority, hiyo container ikikuja hapa itakuja hapa katika bandari kwa minajili moja peke yake, na hiyo ni kuwekwa kwa meli na kutoka hapa. Tumesema ya kwamba bandari ya Mombasa sio laboratory ya kuangalia maneno, na bandari ya Mombasa sio bahari ya makaratasi. Bandari ya Mombasa ni bahari ya kuchukua container na kuweka kwa bahari, na kwa hivyo tunawauliza wafanye biashara wote na wale ambao wanatuma mizigo wahakikishe ya kwamba katika ile system tunaita QUATOS, ukiweka mizigo yako katika container bahari huko.
Facilitating trade must be able to work seamlessly and together in the manner in which indicated in the statement. Number 2, we are targeting to facilitate exports so that then the ease of doing business. The ease of doing business before has always been about imports. A lot was about facilitating imports. But if you see this conversation we are having here, and I want to thank my colleague from Ministry of Trade and Industry. Their suggestions and their leadership on this issue was focused on facilitating exporters. And those are the people we are targeting.
Thank you. We'll continue from there. Number 7 is that KRA will fast-track inclusion of other agencies in the operations of the authorized economic operators and pre-arrival processing of cargo framework to enable faster cargo clearance at the ports. Number 8, it was agreed that a reporting and escalation framework mechanism will be worked on between KPA, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry in the QUATOS system. And let me add there also KRA will be part of that escalation framework. Number 9, the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry and KRA will look at the green channel requirements for exporters with a view of encouraging compliance for ease of export and facilitation of trade. Number 10, KRA has committed to open customs office in Tanzania to mirror Uganda and enhance customs before border points at Moyale. This will be followed by interministerial visit of Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania and Ethiopia ministers to the border points. Number 11, we have agreed to streamline and introduce a bonded customs warehouse for imported used vehicles inspection so that we are able to fast track and also enhance revenue.
But unless Moses, what I'm going to say is unless you really want to explain this statement in Kiswahili, in your very good Kiswahili. Yeah.